In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add filters in Clipchamp to instantly enhance your videos and give them a more professional, polished look. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, social media clips, or business content, filters can completely transform the mood and style of your footage in just a few clicks. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to preview, apply, and customize filters inside Clipchamp the right way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical editing tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video clip is already added to the timeline. If it's not, simply drag and drop your media from the media library onto the timeline so you can start editing. Now, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This is important because filters can only be applied to a selected clip. When the clip is highlighted, you'll see editing options appear on the right-hand sidebar of the screen. On the right sidebar, look for the option labeled Filters and click on it. As soon as you click on Filters, you'll see a collection of different filter presets appear. These filters are designed to quickly change the color tone, brightness, contrast, and overall mood of your video. Some filters give your footage a warm, cinematic look, others create a cool-toned aesthetic, and some add dramatic contrast or vintage styling. To preview a filter, simply click on any filter of your choice. When you click it, Clipchamp will instantly apply it to the selected clip so you can see how it looks in the preview window. This makes it very easy to test different styles without permanently committing to anything. Take your time here and click through multiple filters to compare them. Watch how each one changes the feel of your video. For example, a brighter filter might work better for vlogs or lifestyle content, while a darker, high-contrast filter might be more suitable for cinematic or dramatic scenes. Once you find a filter you like, simply leave it selected. That's it. The filter is now applied to your clip. If you change your mind, you can always click a different filter to replace it, or choose the original option to remove the filter completely. If you want even more control, you can combine filters with other adjustments available in the sidebar, such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and exposure settings. This allows you to fine-tune the final look and make your videos stand out even more. And that's how simple it is to add filters in Clipchamp. Just open your project, select your clip, go to the Filters tab in the right sidebar, preview different options, and choose the one that fits your style. Using filters consistently across your videos can also help create a recognizable brand aesthetic, which is especially important if you're building a YouTube channel or personal brand. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.